Welcome to Wednesdays with Weingartz. I'm Ron Weingartz. Today I'm here to talk about shred and vacs. I'm going to talk about some of the leading brands, the Stihl, the Echo, and Makita. Just kind of do a little comparison. So let's start off with the Stihl. The SH56, been around a long time. Great unit. Both the Stihl units have the same bagging capacity, the same CC engine, but the 86 has a little higher output. So let me start with the 56. So they'll have a handle for holding as a vacuum with a convenient shoulder strap to help support the weight of the bag. This unit can, all three units can easily be converted from a vacuum to a blower with the tubes that come with it. So you just remove the vacuum tube, the bagging end, and attach the blowing tube onto this end. So you get the use of a multi-tool function. The 86, like I mentioned, has slightly more power, which really for blowing is really not noticeable. But when you get into shredding, it does take more power, so a little additional power when you get into those heavier, a little tougher conditions is definitely a nice plus. There again, it's the same size bag. Has some nice features like rubber grips for added comfort for continuous use. Nice trigger lock, like a cruise control system. As I mentioned, slightly more power. And it does have a little heavier duty air filtering system, so if you're working in dusty conditions, you won't have to clean the filter quite as often. So it's a nice step up from the base 56. This would be the model SH86. Another great brand is the Echo. The Echo is very comparable as far as performance. And there again, it comes with both the tube for vacuuming or blowing. One nice feature with the Echo, it has a 2-bushel bag versus 1.2 bushel. Although once you have 1.2 bushels, there's going to be a lot of weight, so that's still pretty good size capacity. So excellent performing unit there. Again, it's been out a long time. I should point out these are all, when they say shred and vac, as it runs through the impeller, they'll have shredding knives. You get about a 12-to-1 reduction, so you get a fair amount of capacity in the bag. So really, these are great for doing around your shrubs, flower beds. Naturally, you won't want to do a whole lawn, but for getting in some of those tight areas, the vacuum does a great job. And then this is something new from Makita. So Makita really feels one of the leaders in the electric outdoor power equipment. So this has a nice rubber cushion grip. There again, this is all the Makita are, they either have the 18 volt or 18 times 2, 36 volt. This is the 36 volt system. And the 18 by times 2, basically what that means is uses 2 18-volt batteries. So it's all the same battery platform if you have different power tools. So if you're looking to go electric, this gives you the very similar performance to a gas. Again, a vacuum and a blower compatible. So it's a nice option to get away from the 2-cycle if you're looking to go with electric powered products. That really covers some of the shred and vacs. All great choices. You can find more on our website at weingartz.com. Thanks for listening today.
Weingartz, Weingartz, everything.